Magufuli was the last true Pan-Africanist. Pan-Africanists are long gone now. Julius Nyerere, Milton Obote, Paul Lumumba, Patrick Lumumba, Nelson Mandela, and many other Pan-Africanists. The current people, the current leaders and socialites, or opinion leaders like Patrick Lumumba in Kenya, are now using Pan-Africanism as a vaccine against policies from ICC and other foreign policies. Magufuli is the last. Now, how are these people using Pan-Africanism as a vaccine? Yes, many of the African leaders who violate human rights, serious human rights, they go for the word Pan-Africanism to start blocking the West, to make the people think that they just love Africa, they just doing it the African way, but it's not the truth. The African way doesn't mean that you don't be democratic. You should be democratic. Despite some other cultural things that, like kingdom, which the kingdom is perfectly dictatorship. That's why most kingdoms collaborated with British colonies, and chiefdom is less dictatorship. So the African Pan-Africanists are long gone. The current ones like Julius Malema is not a Pan-Africanist, he's just a big maggot, and Patrick Lumumba is just a smart protector of dictators. You have seen a lot of occasions where Patrick Lumumba talk a lot of unjustified statements. A lot of occasions he goes and, in fact, praises even the dictators. So they are long gone. We hope some will come in the future. Thank you.